Welcome to STYLIARA. Tonight we dive into the elegance of the evening. I've picked stunning looks for your perfect night date. Whether it's an intimate dinner, a rooftop gallery visit, or a dreamy walk under the stars, get ready to shine in the dark. For our first look, I've styled a modern chic outfit perfect for an elegant date night. This stunning cocoa tone dress by Elisabetta Franchi features a sleek crepe fabric and a statement belt with a golden metal logo, simple, structured, and undeniably elegant. It sets the tone for a polished yet romantic aesthetic. To elevate the look and break its monochromatic palette, I added a splash of color with Dolce & Gabbana's iconic Kira leather sandals in yellow, featuring their signature Majolica print. These heels bring a whimsical energy to the outfit, vivid, bold, and totally unforgettable, like something out of a modern fairy tale. To tie it all together, the Versace underwater Barocco gemmy ribbon headband adds a refined touch, especially when worn with voluminous curly hair. Its pattern and color echo the energy of the shoes, creating a perfect visual rhythm. Finishing the look, Loewe's latest dark brown handbag, a quiet luxury piece that blends seamlessly with that dress while grounding the overall palette. This look is all about elegance with a playful twist. Confident, curated, and unforgettable. Enjoy every step of your night, because in this outfit, you're not just dressed up, you're magnetic. For the second look, I've chosen the elegant diamante strap crepe midi dress in black by Roland Moore. Black is timeless, bold, sophisticated, and always the right choice for a night out. The slim-fit silhouette embraces your shape and sets the perfect tone for a confident date night entrance. To break the expected rules and inject a pop of passion, I've paired this dress with a touch of vibrant red, because nothing says romance like red. Enter the Christian Louboutin Condora Queen 100 leather sandals, sharp, sensual, and impossible to ignore. To elevate the look even further, I've added the Rose American Beauty clutch by Judith Leiber. According to its official description, this resplendent rose-shaped bag flawlessly echoes the enchanting grace of the Cosmos' beloved crimson flower. The entire surface is adorned with radiant cyan crystals, set with breathtaking precision, an actual piece of art in your hand. And now for the final touch, Bezio's mini feather fan hoop earrings by Gas Bijoux. These statement earrings feature hand-dyed cockerel feathers, arranged in aphon-shaped form that dances with every move you make. Honestly, this look is a showstopper. It's sensual, feminine, and unforgettable, turning you into a vision of modern glamour for your special night. That's it for our night date outfits. I'm dying to know which look would make you feel unforgettable tonight. Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and come back for more After Dark style magic. STYLIARA fashion with a little spark of desire.